Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much to start a clothing brand. Let's begin by understanding the foundational costs. Initially, you'll need to consider expenses for market research and legally registering your business, which can range from $50 to $500. Additionally, design software subscriptions might cost $20 to $70 monthly. Don't forget the $200 to $1,000 needed for creating those crucial first samples and prototypes to bring your vision to life. Moving on, the actual production of your clothing line involves significant investment. Sourcing quality materials and manufacturing a small run can cost anywhere from $500 to $5,000. Be mindful of minimum order quantities, which often require an initial investment of at least $500 per design. Furthermore, securing inventory storage, whether a small space or a dedicated unit, might add $50 to $500 to your monthly expenses. Now, let's talk about getting your brand noticed and making sales. Establishing an e-commerce website is crucial, with initial setup costs typically ranging from $100 to $1,000. To reach your audience, allocate a budget for social media advertising, often starting at $50 to $200 monthly. Professional product photography is also vital for showcasing your items attractively, potentially costing $100 to $500 for high-quality images. Finally, it's important to consider ongoing and often overlooked expenses. Customer service tools and essential shipping supplies can add $50 to $200 to your monthly outgoings. Legal fees for protecting your brand with trademarks or drafting contracts might range from $500 to $2,000. Always factor in a contingency for unexpected costs, such as returns or quality control issues, which could be 10 to 15% of your overall budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.